Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to handle long words and multi-line sentences. Let's say we have these block cards and what we want is these headings to not go in the next line. Instead, they should stay in one line with ellipses at the end. So if you're wondering what is ellipsis, it is the dot 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 thing at the end of a text. Let's bring up our code editor and give it a try. Let's bring it up here. So for heading, there is a class. So blog heading coming to index file here. All right, so we've already got it here. Okay, so first what we want to do is we want to stop this text from going to next line. So when the content doesn't fit in one line, it tries to find a white space and it wraps the content to the next line. So what we want to do is prevent that. So for that we have a property white space and we can give it a value no wrap, or what we are telling CSS is so don't wrap even when white space is encountered. So now as you can see, all these headings are going out of the card. So let's handle the overflow. So overflow, say hidden, let's save it. And now as you can see, this text or this heading is clipped. And what we need is just the ellipsis at the end. So to get that, we can use another property called text overflow. So coming up here, let's use that property, text overflow. So it accepts two values, clip and ellipsis. So let's try clip. And as you can see, it stays the same because this clip is the default value. The other value is ellipsis. So let's save it. And now as you can see, there are these ellipses at the end of the text or dot 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 at the end of these headings. Now let's say you have this really big word and you want it to wrap on the next line. So for that, we have two options. First, we can use the property word break. So let's give that a try. So coming down here to blog description, let's use this word break. So it accepts two values. First is break all. So let's save it. And now as you can see, it just breaks the word as soon as it reaches the end of the line. Similarly, the other value is keep all. So what it does is it doesn't break the word and it overflows. So the next option was word wrap. So let's give that a try. And it accepts a value break word. So let's use that. And now as you can see, even this is breaking the word, but it tries to break the word at a more meaningful point. But if it cannot find a meaningful point, it just breaks it. So let's compare both. So first was word break, break all. Let's comment this, let's save it. And now as you can see, it's breaking the word as soon as the line gets over here. So it's lorem su. Let's comment this and uncomment the word wrap property. And as you can see, when this big word was encountered, it did not break it right here. It took it to the next line, waited till the end of the line, but it could not find a space or something meaningful to break this word. And then it just broke it from the middle. And that's how this word wrap property works. That's all for today, guys. If there's something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.